In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize Gmail emails into folders. If your inbox feels crowded, this quick approach will help you sort messages into tidy categories so you can find what you need faster. In Gmail, what many people call folders are actually labels. Labels work like folders, but they're even more flexible. One email can have multiple labels. I'll show you how to create a label and then two ways to use it. Moving emails into a label so they leave the inbox, or adding a label while keeping the email in your inbox. First, let's create your folder or label. Open Gmail in your browser and look at the left-hand sidebar. Scroll if needed, then click More to expand the list. Find and click Create New Label. A small window will appear asking for a name. Type something clear and specific like work or bills so you instantly know what goes inside. When you're happy with the name, click Create. Your new label now appears in the left sidebar with your other mail categories. Now, let's move emails into that label so they're taken out of the inbox. In your inbox view, check the box next to one or more emails you want to organize. At the top of the page, click the Move to button. It looks like a folder icon. From the menu that appears, choose your label. The selected emails are moved immediately and will disappear from the main inbox. You can open the label from the left sidebar to see them anytime. If your label list is long, click More in the sidebar to reveal it. Next, here's how to apply a label, but keep the email in your inbox. Great for items you still need to act on. Open the email you want to organize. At the top, click the Label button. It looks like a tag. Select the label you created, then click Apply. The email now shows that label, yet it remains in your inbox, so you can find it both in the label and among your current messages. A quick recap: use Move To with the folder icon when you want an email out of the inbox and neatly filed under a single label. Use the Label tag icon when you want to add a label, but keep the email visible in the inbox until you're ready to archive or handle it. That's all you need to get started. Create clear labels, apply them consistently, and your Gmail will stay organized and easy to manage.